Moto Corp will be coming up with its numbers today. The results are expected post-market, but I'm here with the ET Now poll to tell you what is expected out of the company in Q1FY22 results. So this time, let me firstly take you across how was the volume growth witnessed by the company in the quarter gone by. So the total volumes were up around 81.4% on a YOY basis, but they were down around 35% on a quarter-on-quarter basis because of the second COVID wave. We have been seeing that the two-wheeler segment was impacted the worst because of the wave having the major of its impact in the rural parts of India. This time, the realizations are expected to be up around 9% on a YOY basis, and that will be on the back of the price hike being taken by the company, and some of the cost initiatives should also help the numbers and the margins of the company specifically as well. Now coming to the numbers, what are expected, the headline numbers expectation. Firstly, in the top line, we are expecting a jump of around 95% on a YOY basis from 2,971 crores that was recorded last year. This time, the expectation is at 5,785 crores. The EBITDA, that's expected to show a jump of around 6 times on a YOY basis. The number is expected at 615 crores. Now coming to the margins, we have been seeing that the commodity inflation has been hitting the margins of across the auto companies, and similar is the case with Hero Moto Corp. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, we are expecting a decline of around 330 basis points on the back of commodity cost inflation, and also the lower scale of operation should also play a role in this, and the margins are expected at 10.6%, but that's definitely a jump from a low kind of margins that was recorded around 3.6% in the last year. Now in the bottom line, we are expecting a jump of around 7 times on a YOY basis. That's the number, looks very big, but on a quarter-on-quarter basis is a good parameter to judge the results of all the auto companies this time. From 61.3 crores that was recorded last year, this time the number profit figure is expected at 441 crores. So this was the result expectation on the headline numbers and what are the factors to watch out for in results. But apart from these numbers and commentary, we'll be watching out for more in the results. Firstly, what is the channel inventory levels, how the company is managing the inventory levels, and how are they gearing up for the festive season? Are they looking for some kind of a robust demand that's coming in for the festive season? Are they also gearing up for that? We'll be watching out for that. Next up is the demand outlook on not only in the domestic market, across the international markets as well. And lastly, we'll be having their take on what is the update on their electric plans, how the company is gearing in that space as well, because that is getting quite very interesting with the competition from the private players increasing quite significantly. And lastly, let me take you about what the brokerages are targeting on the stock just before the results. So the stock is trading around 2700 of levels as of now. But if you see Nomura, that has a target of around 3280 rupees. Credit Suisse maintained its neutral stance on the stock with a target price of around 3200 of levels, while Motilal is giving you a buy at around 3650 rupees, and Bernstein is giving a market perform rating on the stock with the target price of 3150 rupees. So all eyes on Hero Moto Corp. The results are expected post-market today.